Rek, parang masyado ka na madikit sa ano kaya Rek.
Tandaan nyo, papa nyo ako.
Baka na next. Selos ako sa papa ko.
Papa nyo ako, tandaan nyo.
Selos ako sa papa ko. Ano ba?
Na-edit tuloy kasi nag-away pa kayo.
Hey, over 10.
Sa'yo, kasi may taga-ano ako eh. May taga-sama ako eh. So, I would like to show you all my wife first.
Ganon. Respeto lang oh.
Ay, kasi may dumi.
Do you wanna fly? You could be my co-pilot. Let me put you on this flight. Make love in the sky or in another planet. Do you wanna fly? You could be my co-pilot. Let me put you on this flight. Make love in the sky or in another planet.
Ready or not, we taking a trip. Fucking no luggage, vacation it is. Ready to shine, ready to blow. Spinning on like it's a runway or show. Fashionably late, so it's too early to tell. Ask, could this be fate? Then I'm burning it in hell, not in heaven. This is penance, cause you learned it in jail. When the lesson is presenting, Lord have mercy if we fail. We prevail through the yells, all the mood swings bring. Make your mood ring, bang, the way your mood swing, swing.
Kahit dito mama, ingat mo kayo pag-uwi.
Ay, taray! Ay, ano yan?
Wanna fly?
Ay, ano yan? Ay, yun ay iwan magamit ha?
Let me put you on this flight. Make love in the sky.
Ano yan? Okay! Promise ring!
Ah, kaya pala, nagpaparinig siya sa kawa.
Hello!
Let me put you on
Grabe
this
naman
flight.
yung anak ko!
Make love in the sky.
Grabe naman! Ang spoil mo, dinayo ka pa ng mama ni Koso kay Tito! Aba! Aba! Ayan na!
Thank you po.
Oo, sobrang spoiled talaga nito. Isang to!
Uy, lang yun, ang isa. Uy, tawa ko. Uy, tawa ko. Tawa pala.
Uy, tapos si Juma challenge! Ala! You know what?
He's insane, that's what they say. Hold it, hold it. So he's to blame what I did.
Walk out siya.
Ang bago.